Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, welcome all. In this video, we are going to see about a Python based IEEE project which is entitled as Prediction of Breast Cancer Comparative Review of Machine Learning Techniques and Their Analysis. So in this paper, they have made a complete review of machine learning techniques used for prediction of breast cancer with various machine learning algorithms, and they have analyzed their detailed. But we are not going to implement all the algorithms as this is a survey paper. So we are going to take up a machine learning algorithm logistic regression, and we are going to implement the prediction of breast cancer. Let us see the execution of the project. This is the home page and the welcome screen of the project with the project title Prediction of Breast Cancer Comparative Review of Machine Learning Techniques and Their Analysis. So click Login, which has a static login details admin, and click Submit. And here you can see the abstract which is mentioned in the base paper. Click Next. Here you can upload the data set. So I'll show you the data set before uploading it. So this is the data set for the breast cancer that we have used with the features of ID, diagnosis, radius mean, texture mean, etc. You can see all the features here. So this is the complete data set. So I'll upload this data set right now here and click upload. Here you can preview the data set which I shown you earlier with the features of it. And then click to train. Now the training process is finished and there is a pop-up of training is finished, and click OK. Here you can see the prediction model of logistic regression model is developed based on 10 features that classify whether the breast cancer is benign or malignant. So these data which I'm going to give as a test data, I already given in the folder called test data. You can check from it also. So I will show you with these two cases. So first I will show with the first case with the value texture mean 20.78, area mean 519.4, concavity mean 0.03136, area SC 34.78, concavity SC 0.01949, fractal dimension SC 0.06, 087, smoothness worst 0.1297, concavity worst 0.08112, symmetry worst 0.3196, fractal dimension worst 0.06435, and I'll click predict right now. So here you can see the predicted result. The patient is more likely to have benign cancer with probability value of 0.00. Okay. Now let us see with the other feature, other type as malignant. So texture mean is 15.7, area mean is 477.1, concavity mean 0.1578, area SES 27.19, concavity SCS 0.03672, fractal dimension as 0.005082, smoothness worst as 0.1791, concavity worst as 0.5355, symmetry worst as 0.3985, fractal dimension worst as 0.1244. And now click predict. Here you can see the predicted value. The patient is more likely to have the malignant cancer with probability value of 0.94. So I have shown you the two cases. You can check with other data also from the data set, and after that click analysis to go the analysis part. Here you can see the pie chart analysis with the dataset values, which consists of malignant cancer as 68% and benign cancer as 32%. This is the conclusion future work of the project, and this is all about the project prediction of breast cancer, comparative review of machine learning techniques and their analysis. Thank you.